All right, Permashine Tire Dressing updates. It's long overdue, I know. There's a reason for it. Let's roll the intro and I'll talk about it. What's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Welcome back to the channel. So yes, if you follow the channel, I did a little review on the Permashine tire coating right here. We have a very aggressive ad campaign. Looks like a great product. I wash my cars a lot, and this looked like it'd save me a lot of time. As you watched the video before, if you haven't watched it, go watch it. So yeah, I did my C8s on just the passenger side. The driver's side, I use my normal stuff I always use, which is the Chemical Guys spray. I love it. I'm not sponsored by either one, don't think I am. Long story short, after about 4 or 5 days, this stuff started losing its luster. So I was like, that's concerning. So I was thinking maybe it's something I did. Maybe it's a prep work. I wash my cars a lot, especially the C8s. Before I put this on, there was a lot of tire dressing before from other companies. So I was like, maybe that's it. I did scrub the hell out of it though. You saw me do it. So my wife has a brand new car. Well, a couple months old now. But anyways, after this started fading, I figured I'll put it on her brand new Buick Envista. The tires are brand new, and I never washed it before. Scrubbed the hell out of them. I put it on there. It looked great for about a week. Now it's pretty dull. That was about 5 weeks ago. I'll show you that in 1 second if you're curious. I'm not here to like make a company look bad. I was really excited about this product. A lot of people wanted to follow up. I was hesitant because I didn't really know how to approach it. I don't want people spending their money on dumb shit. So what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be fair about this, is I'm going to wash my C5Z because that car stays in the elements. I haven't given a proper wash in like 5 weeks. We'll do a quick little wash time lapse, scrub the hell out of the wheels. Those tires are a lot more smooth, if you will, not a lot of little nooks and crannies to get stuff into, like the C8 and the Invista. Maybe that's it, I don't know. But I'm gonna scrub them, dry them off really well. You'll see exactly how I apply it. And what I'm gonna do is, because that car sits outside, I will do every day a quick little 10 seconds update. And then the next update in a few weeks will just be showing that car every day. That makes sense. So real quick, I'll show you the C8, how it looks. I did this probably, 6 weeks ago. I washed the car about 3 weeks ago and I put my other stuff on it. I didn't really scrub the wheels, but you'll see how it looks. And then I'll show you my wife's car, which I did 5 weeks ago and haven't touched it since. And kind of give you a barometer of what I'm working with. Again, I really wanted to like this stuff, and the ads for it look really good. Most of the comments on there are very positive. I don't know if they're bought. I have no idea, man. Yeah, maybe I'm a sucker for buying it. I don't know. So I'll show you the C8, how it looks. I'll show you my wife's car, and we'll do another test on my C5Z, and that'll be the real test. You know what I mean? It just kind of sucks, but. And maybe someone out there watching this is like, oh, I use all the time. It's great. You're not doing it right. Please give me input or insight what I'm doing wrong. I'm definitely open to criticism. So, all right, I'll show you the C8 real quick. Here's what we're dealing with. I'll put a graphic here of when I did it about 6 weeks ago to show you. It's just very dull. Like I said, it looked really good for about 5 days. Started getting dull. I washed it again a few weeks ago. I put my other dressing on it. I didn't really scrub it that hard. You can see remnants of it, kind of like inside there, but even that's not that glossy. So again, maybe I just had so much prior stuff on this, even though I scrubbed the shit out of it, I didn't do it good enough. So yeah, I'll show you the front too. So that's what we're dealing with. I'll show you the other side. This is what they normally look like with the other stuff, which is pretty much identical. So yeah, I'll show you my wife's car real quick, and then we will do a quick wash on the C5. We will reapply it, and I'll keep you updated on that guy in the next video. So let's do that now. Here's the wife's car. It's been about 5 weeks. These are brand new tires that I scrubbed. And as you can see, that's the sheen we have after 5 weeks. I have not washed it since. Kind of disappointing. So I kind of seen inside there. It's how it looked before. It's how it looks now. I wish I had it better before. I'm sorry, guys, but this is with 2 coats after 5 weeks. Yeah, not very impressive. So we're gonna go ahead. You can see kind of where it was, and where it was and where it wasn't. Not very impressive. All right, let's go wash the C5Z. Get that guy scrubbed up really well. And I'll show you the tires on this guy have a lot less texture and a lot more smooth. See what I mean? So maybe this will be a better candidate. And again, this one sits outside right now, so this will be a perfect everyday analysis. All right, let's get it washed up. We're all washed up really well. These tires are super freaking clean. It's actually a really nice November day. It's about 60 degrees already at low humidity. I think it's good conditions to apply this stuff. I'm going to go ahead and get this dried off really well. Let it dry for half an hour after it's dry, and then we will apply wheel by wheel and go from there. We got 4 dry tires. Some of the cars still up, but so I got a leaf blower and towel. The tires, they're dry. This stuff's very straightforward to apply. If you watch my first video, microfiber applicator, apply liberally in all directions to get in all the little cracks and stuff. And if you want a more of a shiny shine, wait 30 minutes and reapplicate, which we're gonna do. So I'll do one tire at a time, quick little time lapse. This stuff is very sticky. People say this is a lot like Mop and Glow. It kind of is. If you ever served in the Navy and waxed the deck or floor, this stuff, I don't know what the SDS on this is, but it's just like floor wax. It might be floor wax. I have no idea. So yeah, make sure you wear a glove on your applicator hand. And yeah, we'll go through real quick, wait 30 minutes and do another round. And yeah, go from there. All right, coat number 1. Let's give it 30 minutes. Let's throw another little coat on. It's 2 coats. Let it dry for an hour. I'll give you the final look. But one thing I will say about this as of right now, if you got a car show or something coming up, it does look good for a few days. It does have a really good sheen to it. But I mean, again, you can do that with any real tire shine. I bought this for longevity, and that's the result I am looking for. So give me an hour, I'll show you how it looks, and I'll close out this video. It's actually a few hours later, but here is our baseline, what we're working with, what we will be checking in on every day. It's not quite as shiny as the commercials. Probably gonna put like 5 damn coats on to get that shiny, but this is the sheen that I like. And it's kind of good. So in the front here, these are Pirellis. In the back, those are Continental. So 2 different types of rubber for more data points. That's how we're looking. And then here in the back. Again, this is the perfect sheen that I like. You probably could go even crazier with a couple more coats, but that's where we're at. So I'm gonna close this out now. And like I said, every morning or every day, I'm gonna come out here, show you tomorrow day 2, 3, etc. for about 3 weeks. And then I'll report back, and that'll be my final findings, if you will. I hope this turns out well, you know what I mean? But I also want you guys to know what you're spending your money on. So All right, guys, I'll see you guys this weekend for another C8 video. So until then, mark out.